Endencio. Big rebound for Atop. Kyrie again. Numero 11. To doble dos. To Kyrie.
Ay, nako, Kuya Cardo.
Di Guzman. To Gico. Big rebound by Endencio. Pass break to Pregua. Oy! Mas mabilis ang bola kumpara sa tao. Turnover from J-Lord. Gico again. To Kyrie. Numero 11. Against Pregua. Harassing by Pregua. To Di Guzman. Di Guzman. Baseline. Numero 3-1. Wala. Big rebound by Kyrie. Save the ball. Second chance for Atop. Double never. 10 to shot. Gerald to Minguez to Di Guzman. Underneath. Ang galing ng pasahan. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sumagay sa'yo again. Penetrate against Minguez. Wala. Big rebound by numero 31. Easy ball by Kyrie. Gerald. Numero 11. Kyrie. Get inside. Running shot. Rebound for the big boy. Pregua alone. Rushing by Minguez. Yes. It's too late. Gerald again. Kyrie, numero 11. Against Pregua. Pass to underneath. Numero 31. Penetrate. Oh! Nakalapak naman. Ano na napirmi man? Ano pirmi na naga...
Marit.
Makitid na naguray, no?
Marit.
Makitid. Makotok to sumagaysay. 50-30. O 20 ba? 20. Time. 10 minutos. 45. Villanueva to sumagaysay. Wide open. Big rebound. Oh. Wide. Last touch. Oh, sub. Pasok. 5 in, 5 out. Dali kung magbungguan na ini sila sa ano? Kuwari.
Ano ba taxi? Patay siya.
Back to Kabangan. Numero 7. Kabangan again. To Yap. Big boy. To big boy against big boy. Wala. Big rebound by Endencio. Endencio rushing away against Yap. Rushing by Endencio against Kabangan. Wow! Ali, Hupo, Bram, Endencio. Kabangan again.
Ito lang stable.
Searching for a pass from numero 1. From the middle, big boy, what a layup. Quickie. Plus 2, numero 1, easy po. Proud of Light of Glory. Sumagaysay, attacking again, underneath, Villanueva. Okay, reserve. Kabangan to... Ini sunog. Yap to numero 1. Left-handed move. Up. Still by Endencio to sumagaysay. Season 1 MVP. Rushing by Kabangan. Wow. Easy. Another to. Magnet mo lang. Yap to Kabangan. 52-36. Using time. 8 minutes. Exactly 8 minutes. Numero 1, try to get inside. Wala. Sulod. Pasok. Sulod. Okay, coming in, coming out. Inbound by big boy. Numero 1, pull up, no good. Big rebound off. Big boy again. Numero second foul. Inbound by Uno to numero 7, wide open! Kakabangan! Sumakay sa again. Season 1 MVP. Penetrate, attacking against Yap. Wala. Big rebound to Ato. Ato brushing away. Numero 7. Against Bakutok. Kabangal to Yap. Back to wide open Kabangal. Wala. Big rebound to Villanueva to Bakutok. To sumakay sa Season 1 MVP. Against numero 1. Attacking. Wala. Ang ganda ng depensa. Numero 1. Malakapay. Nilakad. Wala. Villanueva for the rebound. Pass break. Quickie alone. Sumakay sa Season 1 MVP. Again. Plus 2. Plus 2 for MVP. Sumakay sa Kabangal. Back to numero 7. Remaining time. 5:40. Easy ball. Using by time. Kabangal against Bakutok. Bakutok. Behind the legs. Penetrate. Try to get inside. Wide open. Wala. Villanueva again for the rebound. Oh! Still. Nice block. Ang ganda ng pagka-block. Back to Subrakel. Subrakel against Subrakel side. Ang ganda ng step. Time out. Time out.
Atop.
Amat-amat lang. Amat-amat.
Back to the ball game. Extra time.
Remaining time, 5:13. 5 minutes and 13. Kabangal for the inbound. Kabangal to Yap. Easy ball by Kabangal. Jersey number 7. Giko dribbling the ball, perimeter. Back to, wow! Ang ganda naman nun.
Sakit kilid Jay.
Numero 31, easy 2. Plus 2 for Atok. Kabangal again against Bakutok. Villanueva!
3 points.
4-3. Kagina pa na. Tali, ipatira yung nag-ipatira. Kabangal. Pick and roll by Di Guzman. Di Guzman for the pick and roll. Kabangal to Giko. Giko try to get inside. Underneath Atok. Oh! Hindi ka da. Fabiona, ang ganda naman nun with a looking shot. Ang galing. What a looking shot, Fabiona from J-Lord. Okay, plus 2 for J-Lord. Kabangal again. Using by time by Kabangal numero 7. Against Bakutok. Crossover behind the legs.
4 minutes.
4 minutes.
Sub.
Sab, pasok. 4 minutos, 57-45. Abansi dyan po ng Atok. Pasok. Pasok. Go inside. 57-45. 8. Kabangal to Giko. Giko to wide open. Yap! Wala. Big rebound by Villanueva. Villanueva to Baculano. Villanueva against siya. Power move. Power move. Whoa! Extend ka, extend. Tres 42.
Ligad to. Dauman ka mo na. Tama, yun ba?
Yap again. Low post by Di Guzman. Yap continue get inside. Pull up.
Ay!
Wala. Big rebound with Di Guzman. Ang galing naman. Iba talaga ang mahaba, malaba, matangkad. 3-15. Penetrate.
Uy.
Up. Numero 31. Fabiona.
Hindi ka gawa na sabo.
Fabiona. Inbound by Fabiona. Wide open. Indencio trying to get inside. Back to Fabiona. Fabiona to wide open by 10 to shot. Wala. Out of bounds. 3 minutes. 2 minutes 59. 2 minutes and 59. Next Sunday naman tayo makita na yan. Inbound by
Sugat.
Yap. To numero 31. Back to Kabangal. Pick and roll by Kabangal. Teardrops. Wow, ang galing naman. Okay, save lang. Reserve. What a shot. Teardrops by Kabangal. Fabiona penetrate. Big rebound to. Yap.
Yeah, Turkey.
Yap for the protectable Gigo. Last 2 minutes. Back to Kabangal. Naku po, bata ng oras. To Gigo ang follow up. Big rebound to. Okay. Pasok. Pasok. Abelo.
Time.
148. Yap. Estel Villanueva to Bacolado with a spin against Gerald behind the back. Underneath Sumagaysay. Wow, ginto. All ang ganda. Nilagay ang bola sa ring. Plus 2 for Gelord. 123. Gico. Easy ball by Gico. 115. Gerald again. Pull up. Wala. Big rebound to Indencio. To Sumagaysay. Against Gerald. Wide open. Wala. 1 minute. Exactly. 1 minute. 1 minute. Exactly. Sako labay mo ba? Ano ka ba? Tanod? Yap. 50. Oh. It's a foul. Pasok. 49 segundos. Okay. Pahuway na ang numero 22. De Guzman. Time out. Jailor. 49 segundos.
Back to the ball game. Last game.
Okay, remaining time, 49. Sadya ni Mang. Underneath. Abelo, hesitate. Yes! Abelo. Up. Another hold by referee. Stepping the line. Ball position goes to Actos again.
Stepping line.
Inbound by Yap. 20. Gerald. Attempt. 10 to shoot. Gerald again. Montinola. 5 to shoot. Yap.
Okay.
5 seconds. Nadugangan pa ng 3. Pregua. Okay.
Win, Ato.
Nasimutan ko lang kung sino makit-anay sa final. Daw madala ang kuhari. Magamunay.